Touchscreen Android phone control RC car. Today is year 2015. Nowadays, the technologies of RC car, there are many ways to control the RC car without cable or wireless. We think about how to innovate a remote control car, or as we all know, RC car. That's why we have chosen this RC car, because this will be our prototype car and this will help driving easier and safe in parking. Statement of the problem. Parking in a tight spot is the bugbear of every driver, and it's not just that narrow space can make it hard to get out of the car. They can also leave you with scrapes and dents that are expensive to repair. Objective of the study. We innovate an Android phone can control the prototype for parking. This project helps the user that got stuck in the tight space to parallel and perpendicular parking, and allows them to control their vehicle using Android phone to get out in a tight space. Background of the study. Radio-controlled or RC car are battery and gas-powered model car or trucks that can be controlled from distance using a specialized transmitted or remote. The term RC has been used to mean both remote-controlled and radio-controlled, where remote-controlled includes that are connected to their control by wire, but common use of RC car today usually refer to the vehicle controlled by radio frequency.
Significance of the study. This prototype began success, it can be applied to real car, and it will be easy up the burden of the driver in driving a car while in traffic at the same time. Scope and limitation. The remote control car can be controlled as far as 35 meters away. If exceeds, it will lose control. Android phone is also open source, while the iPhone phone have operating system named iOS is closed source. Related literature. The history of RC car way back 1936. The Model Car Racing Association was formed in England and catered for rubber drive cars, as well as clockwork. It may well be worth pointing out that 4WD rubber band drive car could accelerate to 40 mph. In under 35 seconds, the car would be released and run in a straight line with a pinch. In America, miniature petrol engines were being put into cars, but a greater need for control was required. Sycamore cable trucks were built, and by 1940 speed of 60 mph were being achieved. A desire to run races with multiple cars, coupled with the emergence of small engines of 1 to 2.5 cc. Technical design. First, the design quartet is to gather on how innovations that will add or contribute for the features of the car. Second, to review the principle behind the touchscreen Android phone controlled remote control car. Third, to design the installation of it. Fourth, to prove if this project can be applied in real cars, safety use, and this driver can drive in easiest way. First, we need a regular remote-controlled car. RC car parts have motor, batteries, potentiometer, transmitter, relay, sensor, receiver, and resistor. When we disassemble a regular remote-controlled car, this list of fixing materials are need to assemble a touchscreen Android phone-controlled RC car.
Created using Powtoon.